Hi everyone, welcome to the ChainLearn channel. Today we're looking at Aster, a next-generation decentralized exchange that's getting serious attention in the crypto world. If you're new to crypto and want a clear introduction, you're in the right place. We'll cover what it is, how it works, its milestones, where it stands today, and how it compares with competitors. Let's jump in. So what exactly is Aster? The project's full name is Aster DEX, token, Aster. It is described as a next-generation decentralized exchange, offering both spot trading and perpetual futures trading for crypto assets and some stock-based derivatives. Aster has three key features that make it special. First, it offers multi-chain support. It operates across blockchains such as BNB Chain, Ethereum, Solana, and Arbitrum. Second, it provides two user modes: simple mode for one click, easy trading; Pro mode for advanced users with order book, hidden orders, grid trading, and more. And third, there's a capital efficiency innovation. You can use yield-generating assets like liquid staking tokens as margin, so your funds can earn yield while you trade. So basically, Aster aims to make decentralized trading more like a professional exchange in functionality, but keep it non-custodial and multi-chain. It's built for both beginners and experienced traders. Let's dive deeper into Aster's multi-chain architecture and dual-mode approach. Aster operates across four major blockchains: BNB Chain, Ethereum, Solana, and Arbitrum. This multi-chain support means you can access unified liquidity without needing to bridge assets between chains. The platform offers two distinct trading modes to serve different user types. Simple mode is designed for beginners and casual traders. It provides one-click trading with simplified interfaces. Pro mode, on the other hand, caters to experienced traders with advanced tools, including traditional order books, hidden orders, grid trading strategies, and multi-asset margin capabilities. This dual-mode approach democratizes trading by making professional-grade tools accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. One of Aster's most innovative features is its yield-generating margin system. Here's how it works. Instead of using regular stablecoins as collateral, you can use yield-bearing assets like liquid staking tokens such as ASBNB or yield-bearing stablecoins like USDF. This means your collateral continues to generate yield while you're trading. You get dual income streams, earning yield on your collateral while simultaneously trading and potentially earning trading profits. This unlocks capital efficiency by putting idle assets to work without losing your exposure to the underlying assets. This innovation sets Aster apart by maximizing how effectively traders can use their capital. Let's go through Aster's timeline and founding story. Aster's origins lie in a strategic merger. The platforms Asterus and APX Finance combined in late 2024 to form Aster. This merger brought together the strengths of both projects to create a more powerful trading platform. The official founding year was 2024, marking the beginning of Aster as a unified project. The project then moved toward its Token Generation Event, or TGE, which happened on September 17, 2025. This was a major milestone where the Aster token was officially launched to the public. Regarding funding and backing, while exact fundraising numbers vary across sources, what's clear is that Aster has strategic backing from YZi Labs, which is connected to the Binance ecosystem. This connection to major ecosystem players gives the project stronger credibility and support. So to summarize, Aster was founded in 2024 via the merger of Asterus and APX Finance, launched its token on September 17, 2025, and is backed by YZi Labs and the broader Binance ecosystem. Now let's talk about the technology and what sets Aster apart. Aster uses a traditional order book model rather than relying solely on automated market maker, AMM models. This order book approach enables limit orders, market orders, and hidden orders, features typically found in centralized exchanges but rarely in DEXs. This gives traders much more control and precision over their trades. Second, Aster implements multi-chain pooled liquidity. Instead of having separate liquidity pools on each blockchain, Aster pools liquidity across all supported chains. This means users can trade with deep liquidity without needing to bridge assets or switch networks. You stay on your preferred chain and still access the full liquidity pool. The platform offers both simple and pro modes for different trader types. Simple mode provides one-click trading and is accessible to beginners, with support for very high leverage options up to 1001x in easy mode. Pro mode offers professional tools, including hidden orders, multi-asset margin, and grid trading strategies for experienced traders who need advanced functionality. A key innovation is the collateral system. You can use staking tokens like ASBNB or yield-bearing stablecoins like USDF as collateral for trading. This unlocks capital efficiency by allowing your collateral to continue generating yield while you trade. The project is backed by YZi Labs, which is connected to the Binance ecosystem, giving it stronger credibility and support. In summary, Aster is technologically designed to combine DeFi features, like being non-custodial and having liquidity across chains, with advanced trading features usually found in centralized exchanges. This makes it accessible for both beginners and professionals, offering the best of both worlds. Let's highlight what Aster has achieved so far in terms of significant milestones and adoption metrics. The Token Generation Event, or TGE, occurred on September 17, 2025, marking the official launch of the Aster token. The first-day performance was extraordinary. On its very first day of token trading, Aster recorded 371 million in trading volume. At the same time, nearly 330,000 new wallets joined the platform. Even more impressively, the platform's total value locked, or TVL, rose by $660 million to reach approximately $1,005 billion in just 24 hours. The rapid growth didn't stop there. Within days, the TVL exploded even further. Between September 14th and September 22nd, TVL grew from approximately $370 million to $1.21 billion, representing a 228% growth rate. Some reports even show TVL briefly topping $2 billion during peak periods. In terms of user adoption, over 527,000 unique wallets were involved in early airdrop campaigns, and the cumulative perpetual trading volume reached approximately $137 billion as of September 2025. The project has received endorsements and backing from YZi Labs, which is connected to Binance. There has even been public endorsement from Changpeng Zhao, the founder of Binance, for the broader ecosystem. So the key milestone is this. Within just 24 hours of token launch, Aster achieved $371 million in trading volume, attracted 330,000 new wallets, and reached $1 billion in TVL. This rapid expansion across multiple chains demonstrates the market's strong reception to the platform. Let's dig into the token details and take a data snapshot of Aster's market performance. The token is called Aster, and the total supply is reported at 8 billion tokens. The circulating supply that's currently unlocked is approximately 3.54 billion tokens. As of recent data, the platform's TVL is reported at approximately $1.479 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume for the Aster token is approximately $739 million. These are substantial numbers that reflect significant market activity and user interest. Looking at market performance, on launch day, the token surged approximately 1,650% in the first 24 hours. It started at around 0.03 and reached approximately 0.528 in that initial period. This explosive growth reflects the strong market demand and enthusiasm for the project. To give you more context on volume and TVL trends, during a 7-day period between September 14th and 22, trading volume jumped approximately 146%, and TVL increased approximately 228% from $370.1 million to $1.21 billion in the same period. One important note: remember that these numbers change fast. Always check live sources before posting or making any trading decisions. The crypto market moves quickly, and data can shift significantly in short periods. Now let's compare Aster with some of its major competitors and ecosystem peers to understand its unique positioning. This is important because understanding how Aster differs from other platforms helps clarify what makes it special. First, let's address a common point of confusion: Arbitrum. Arbitrum is not itself a decentralized exchange. It's a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Aster uses Arbitrum as one of its supported blockchains. So to be clear, Arbitrum is infrastructure. Aster is a trading application built on multiple chains, including Arbitrum. They serve different purposes. A more direct competitor is Hyperliquid, which is an established decentralized perpetuals trading platform. Aster is often described as a challenger to Hyperliquid in the market. Hyperliquid had millions in open interest and high trading volume before Aster launched, but Aster reached $1 billion in TVL within days, showing the intensity of competition in this space. There are other competitors like dYdX and GMX that offer similar perpetual and DEX models, but let's focus on the key differences that set Aster apart. First, Aster offers both spot and perpetual trading in one unified platform. Many competitors focus mainly on perpetuals. This gives Aster broader appeal and functionality. Second, Aster emphasizes multi-chain support and its dual user modes, simple for beginners and pro for advanced traders, plus its innovative yield margin features. This combination is unique in the market. Third, in terms of accessibility for beginners, Aster's simple mode helps new users enter the market much more easily. Other platforms can be more complex and intimidating for newcomers. So in summary, Aster distinguishes itself by combining multi-chain support, advanced features, user-friendly modes, and strong backing from major ecosystem players. This positions it differently from infrastructure-level solutions like Arbitrum and from older perpetual DEX like Hyperliquid. Aster is a complete trading application designed for both beginners and professionals. Let's look at where Aster stands now and what's coming next. According to a deep dive report, as of September 2025, the platform's TVL is approximately $413 million. The cumulative perpetual trading volume reached approximately $137 billion, with 30-day volume at approximately $14 billion and daily volumes averaging around $1 billion. These are significant numbers that demonstrate substantial market activity. Other sources report that TVL briefly peaked at approximately $2 billion, but then settled back to approximately $655 million. This shows the volatility that's natural in early-stage DeFi platforms. These metrics show that Aster is achieving significant scale quickly, but they also demonstrate that volatility and rapid changes are part of the environment. For newcomers to crypto, the key takeaways are major growth, strong liquidity, but also early-stage risks that need to be understood. Looking forward, what's next for Aster? The project plans to expand into synthetic assets, enabling trading of synthetic derivatives. They're also developing mobile-first interfaces for on-the-go trading. Additionally, they're working on deeper DeFi composability to integrate more closely with the broader DeFi ecosystem. Some sources even mention a privacy-focused Layer 1 blockchain in 2026 for derivatives trading. However, it's important to understand the risks. While growth is rapid, significant risks exist. High leverage offerings mean higher risk for users. Losses can be substantial. The project is still early stage, so market volatility and adoption sustainability remain uncertain. Success will depend on sustaining liquidity and user adoption over time. Alright, that wraps up our look at Aster. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto project deep dives, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.